This is the Global Economic Scrap Metal Commodities and Recycling Report by BENLEE Roll-Off Trailers and Open Top Gondola Trailers, October 21st, 2019. U.S. steel production rose to 1.821 million tons as there was news that the General Motors strike may be over and the 50% tariff added on Turkish steel may not be happening so fast. It seems to be on hold. Oil fell to $53.78 a barrel on global economic slowing and high U.S. production. And in fact, U.S. weekly oil production was steady at 12.6 million barrels a day, the all-time record. That's great for U.S. jobs and trade. Iron ore fell to $85.50 a ton on continued global manufacturing slowing, especially in automotive for China, the U.S., and Europe. Scrap steel number one heavy melt fell to $182.67, a multi-year low on global slowing, especially in Europe and the U.S. Prices, though, should be up in November. Hot rolled coil steel fell to $23.69 a hundred, a new multi-year low on continued global slowing. The GM strike may be over, which will actually now support higher prices. Copper fell to $2.60 near the multi-year low as the global economy remains slowing. Aluminum rose slightly to 78.2 cents, remaining near the multi-year low. Prices will remain under pressure as Alcoa announced poor earnings and they lowered their global demand forecast. China's Q3 growth rate, GDP, ending September fell to 6.0%, the lowest in 27 years or more, as tariffs have damaged their economy. Note the U.S. Q3 GDP grew at a mere 2.0 due to the tariff damage as well. Importantly, the U.S. 2019 total year forecast of 2.4% is missing the 4%, 5%, and 6% growth that was forecasted by the White House that was going to happen due to the tax cuts. China's September industrial production rose to 5.8%, the largest gain since June, as manufacturing and mining rose, along with an increase in textiles, chemicals, computer equipment, and more. Output of non-metal minerals and ferrous metals eased. September's U.S. industrial production fell 0.1% versus last year and 0.4% from August, the first decline in year-on-year activity since November 2016, as manufacturing fell the most since August 2016. The GM strike and slower mining were key factors. September's U.S. housing starts fell 9.4% to an annual adjusted rate of 1.256 million, but it was down from August's great 12-year high. Lower interest rates support higher starts, and higher starts are great economic news. September's U.S. Class 8 truck sales, which are the large tractor trailers, hit an all-time record, which is truly great. But as a negative, orders are down sharply. Wall Street's Dow Jones Industrial Average fell to 26,770, still near the record high, but fell on continued signs of global and U.S. slowing. Lowering transportation is one of the keys to increased profits in metal recycling. BENLEE's 80,000-pound GVW 40-foot tandem axle Bridgemaster carries 6,000 pounds more than our triaxle conventional trailer. Also due to the Bridgemaster has a longer wheelbase bridge than a less stable frameless 40-foot trailer, the BENLEE carries more weight, not less weight, than a frameless 40-foot trailer with a normal common wheelbase tractor. Call us for a quote. As always, feel free to call or email me with any questions, and we hope all have a safe and profitable week.